Something really interesting, how a specific kind of yoga therapy can basically supercharge our body's natural detox system. And we're going to put a special focus on our kidneys. So yeah, let's get right into it.
All right, so let me ask you something. Do you ever just feel kind of off, sluggish, a little stressed out, maybe just not 100% yourself? It's a feeling a lot of us know. And today, we're going to dig into one of the big reasons why that might be happening.
And believe it or not, the key could be hiding in your kidneys. Yeah, I know, we don't really think about them much, do we? But these two little organs are absolute powerhouses. They're the unsung heroes of our body, working 24/7 as our master filters.
And this really shows you the difference, right? It's night and day. On one side, when your kidneys are healthy, you've got balanced energy, clearer skin, you feel resilient. But when they're not working so well, you get fatigue, toxins building up, fluid retention. It's a huge hit to your quality of life. The impact is just, wow, it's undeniable.
Okay, so here's what we've got on tap for this explainer. First, we'll cover why your kidneys matter so much. Then, we'll introduce a really natural yogic solution. We're going to break that down into 4 key pillars, look at all the amazing full-body benefits, and wrap it all up with your path to feeling rejuvenated. Sound good?
All right, first up, Section 1, Why Your Kidneys Matter. Let's give these unsung heroes the spotlight they deserve.
Okay, so we've established the why. Now let's talk about the how. How can we support them? We're going to introduce a natural yogic solution, specifically a program called Detox and Restore Yoga.
So, what exactly is this? Well, think of it as a totally holistic program. It's designed to cleanse your body, for sure, but also to rejuvenate your mind. And the really important part, it works by stimulating your body's own natural detoxification processes. We're not adding anything weird or artificial, we're just helping your body do what it's already designed to do, but better. And that brings us right to the heart of the program, the 4 pillars of health. This is the breakdown of how yoga actually supports your body's natural systems.
Pillar number 1 is all about the yoga asanas, or the poses. But listen, these aren't just random stretches. Nope, we're talking about specific, targeted movements that are designed to gently massage the kidneys and get the blood flowing right to that whole abdominal area.
So what kind of poses are we talking about? Well, things like seated spinal twists that give your abdominal organs a gentle little ring out. Then you have forward folds, which compress the area, and gentle back bends, which open it all up and create space. Each one has a job, and they all work together to help flush out toxins and really support your kidneys. And get this is a pretty powerful number. The research shows that people who do this regularly can see up to a 20% improvement in key kidney function markers. We're talking about things like the blood filtration rate. That is a huge measurable impact.
Okay, on to our second pillar, breathwork, or what's known in yoga as pranayama. And this is so much more than just, breathing in and out. It's all about using controlled techniques to seriously increase oxygen flow. And when you have better oxygen flow, you get better circulation. And that is absolutely essential for helping your body get rid of waste products efficiently.
Pillar number 3 moves off the mat and into the kitchen, dietary guidance. See, this whole thing isn't just about the physical practice. It also includes personalized advice, focusing on foods that are rich in antioxidants to help fight off cell damage, and also low-sodium foods, which is super important for reducing the strain on your kidneys. It's all about nourishing your body from the inside.
And that brings us to our 4th and final pillar, lifestyle modifications. This is where we tie it all together. We're talking about the basics, but the really important basics, like proper hydration. You gotta drink that water to flush your system, and also stress management. Keeping those cortisol levels in check is so important because high stress can be really tough on your kidney health.
So, okay, we've been focusing a lot on the kidneys, right? But the amazing thing is, the impact does not stop there. Let's zoom out a bit and look at the full-body, holistic benefits you can get from this.
Just look at this. It's like a cascade of positive effects. Those same poses that massage your kidneys, they also improve your digestion. That breath work that boosts your circulation, it also calms your entire nervous system down, which reduces stress. And what happens then? You get better sleep, you have more energy, and it can even help you manage your weight. See, it is all connected.
I love this quote because it just sums it all up so perfectly. The goal here isn't just to have healthier organs. It's about how you feel. It's about feeling rejuvenated, feeling energized, and feeling resilient enough to handle whatever life throws at you.
All right, let's start wrapping this up. Section 5, your path to rejuvenation. Let's put all these pieces together so you can see the big picture for your own well-being. So here it is, the whole approach in 4 simple, really memorable steps. 1. Stimulate your organs with those targeted poses. 2. Oxygenate your system with that powerful breath work. 3. Nourish your body with a kidney-friendly diet. And 4. Find balance by integrating those mindful lifestyle habits. It's a complete, totally holistic system.
And you know what? Here's something really, really important to remember. This is not some crazy advanced practice that's only for super flexible experts. Not at all. This therapy is actually designed to be accessible to everyone, even if you're an absolute beginner. A good instructor will give you plenty of modifications to make sure the practice is safe, comfortable, and tailored just for you. So let's leave you with this final thought. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight, okay? But just looking at these 4 pillars, movement, breath, nutrition, and lifestyle, what's one single mindful change you could make for your health starting today?